So today, we are going to make baked pineapple. So we would start with cutting the pineapple. Now you can see how to cut it. Now keep it in a big plate, as you can see. Now again the same steps. Now the most important step is to add lemon juice, sugar, black salt, chili flakes, kali mirch powder, salt, chaat masala. Now mix it well till the sugar melt. Now, if you have butter paper, you can use it. I have butter paper, so I would use it. Before adding it on an OTG or a microwave, we will put our mixture on the pineapple. You can use or a microwave. I have an OTG, so I would use. Now add it in OTG or a microwave. Any of these would work. 25 to 30 minutes it would take to bake it to perfection.